Welcome to Mighty Machines. Today, we're diving into the intricate production process of high-quality knives. First and foremost, high-quality knife production boils down to design elements, from the type of steel to the shape of the blade and the ergonomic handle. Each aspect plays a crucial role. The steel determines the knife's durability and sharpness, while the blade's shape impacts functionality, whether it's for slicing, dicing, or precision cuts. To kick off the journey of it all starts with steel preparation. The right steel choice, whether high carbon for sharpness or stainless for rust resistance. As you can see here, the steel is unrolled and stamped into the precise blade size, ensuring uniformity and quality right from the start. This step prepares the steel for the next stage in crafting. The next step in the process is forging, grinding, and shaping. This stage takes the pre-cut steel and refines it into the blade's final form. Forging enhances the steel's strength, while grinding and shaping bring precision to the edge and overall design. Each movement here contributes to the knife's durability, sharpness, and balance, transforming raw material into a functional, high-quality blade. Next, the blade undergoes heat treatment at temperatures reaching up to 1,900 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,038 degrees Celsius. This high heat hardens the steel, enhancing both durability and edge retention. After reaching the peak temperature, the blade is rapidly cooled or quenched to lock in strength and flexibility. Next, a bolster is applied to the knife, creating a seamless transition between the blade and the handle. This thickened area adds balance, weight, and durability, providing extra control and comfort for the user. Next, the grips are pressed onto the knife handle, securing them firmly for stability. Afterward, they're carefully wet sanded to achieve a smooth, comfortable texture. This step ensures the handle feels natural in the hand, providing both comfort and control. Moving on, a sharp edge is meticulously wet sanded onto the blade. This process hones the blade to a razor-sharp finish, ensuring precision and ease in every cut. Wet sanding not only sharpens, but also polishes the edge, enhancing both the knife's performance and appearance. In some instances, blades are given a personal touch with a meaningful saying or unique design etched onto them. This etching not only adds a touch of character and individuality, but also can serve as a mark of craftsmanship or a reminder of the blade's purpose. Finally, the blades are cleaned and polished to bring out their full luster. This last step removes any residues and enhances the blade's shine, ensuring it looks as sharp as it feels. The polishing gives each knife a professional finish, ready for its place in the kitchen or collection. We are not done just yet. Now, let's get into crafting the classical wooden pocket knife, from selecting the finest hardwood to assembling each piece with precision. Let's dive into it. First, we begin by selecting the finest timber, choosing hardwoods like walnut or oak for durability and beauty. Once selected, the timber is brought to the mill, where it's cut and prepared for shaping into the perfect handle for our classical pocket knife. At the mill, the timber boards are precisely milled and cut into ideal lengths, creating the foundation for our knife handles. Each piece is carefully sized to ensure a perfect fit and balance for the final product. Next, the handle pieces are crafted into a rounded shape, carefully contoured for a comfortable ergonomic fit. This shaping process ensures that the knife feels natural in the hand. After shaping, a precise slit is cut into the handle, creating a secure slot to house the blade when it's folded. Once the handle shaping is complete, it's either painted in a range of colors or varnished. depending on the consumer's preference. This finishing step not only enhances the wood's natural beauty, but also adds a layer of protection for lasting durability. Finally, the knife undergoes last-minute touch-ups and a thorough polishing, ensuring a flawless finish. This attention to detail brings out the wood's natural luster and gives the knife that perfect polished look, ready to be cherished. Next, we turn our attention to the blade, where it all starts with design and precision. The blade is carefully crafted and stamped from high-quality steel sheets, ensuring strength and durability. The blade then undergoes a crucial heat treatment process, enhancing its hardness and durability. This step ensures the blade maintains a sharp edge and stands up to the rigors of everyday use. Once heat-treated, the blades are meticulously examined for quality and precision. They're then prepared for assembly, including fitting to the handles and aligning with the locking mechanisms to ensure smooth operation and safety. Next, the circular locking mechanisms are carefully attached to the handles. This step is vital for secure blade positioning, allowing the knife to lock firmly in place when open. Finally, the blades are securely attached to the wooden handles, completing the assembly. The entire knife is then polished to perfection, ensuring it's ready for both display and practical use, embodying craftsmanship and elegance. In some cases, the blades are branded with intricate laser etching, adding a signature touch. This process not only personalizes the knife, but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. From there, the knives are carefully packaged, ready for the mass market. Whether for outdoor adventures, indoor tasks, or as a collector's item, each knife is crafted to suit a variety of needs and environments. And that's how a classical wooden pocket knife is crafted, from selecting premium timber to precision blade work and final assembly. Each step combines artistry and functionality, resulting in a tool that's as practical as it is beautiful. Thanks for joining us on this journey of craftsmanship. Stay tuned for more insights into the art of knife making.